Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where your Android display, your Android screen, the 120 hertz portion of your screen just isn't working, or it's not working right. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is just to go through and double check you're not on low power mode. Sometimes you might just be on low power mode. That's probably one of the big things I'd recommend thinking about. So check into your low power mode, check into your options here, and you might just want to go ahead and just double check that that's not a problem. So if your power saving mode is on or anything like that, just double check that is not on. Now you might also sometimes have to just physically enable that particular feature as well. So hop inside of your settings application right over here, find your display option. So find it under display, which is right over here. And then there's a little option called motion smoothness. So what you can do here is tap into motion smoothness, and then you can find this adaptive and standard option, these two options right over here. And then you can go and tap on adaptive, and then you can go and click on apply. So from here, you can click on apply, and that will go ahead and enable your adaptive motion smoothness. That way it will basically always be at 120 hertz or close to. If it's at 60 hertz, that might be the problem there. So make sure it's not on standard or 60 hertz. Make sure it is on somewhat of like an adaptive portion. If that's not working, the last thing I'd probably recommend doing, if it's not a hardware issue or your phone doesn't actually support it, is going within software updates and checking for any updates that you have and just updating your device. That can also be one of the easiest things I'd recommend doing here, and that should probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are pretty much the main things to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.